Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeMaster. In today's video, we will be solving real-world queue problems in Python. We will start by understanding and implementing a circular queue, followed by simulating a waiting line, just like how queue work in real life. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of queue operations and will be able to apply them in real-world applications. So let's get started. Imagine you are at a theme park waiting in a line for a roller coaster. The first person who joins the queue gets to ride first, and the last person waits their turn. This is exactly how queue work in programming. Queues are used everywhere from customer service systems, scheduling algorithms, and even buffering videos on YouTube. So let's see how we can implement and use queues efficiently in Python. So in this video, we will cover what a circular queue is and why is it useful, how to implement a circular queue in Python, and we simulate a real-world waiting line using queues. Let's start with the first topic, circular queues. A circular queue is a special type of queue where the last position is connected to the first. Instead of leaving empty spaces, when elements are removed, we reuse the space, making it much more efficient. Circular queues are widely used in CPU scheduling, memory management, and buffering systems like music players or printers. Let's look at how a circular queue works. A circular queue supports four main operations. First one is enqueue operation, add an element to the queue. Dequeue operation removes an element from the queue. Peek operation, view the front element without removing it. Is empty or is full. Check if the queue is empty or full. Now let's implement a circular queue in Python step by step. This is how we can implement circular queue by using the enqueue, dequeue, and display functions. This is the Python code to create a circular queue. This function will initialize a queue with a fixed size, and this function will add elements while handling circular indexing. This function removes element and updates pointers, and display function prints the queue element in order. Let's see how our circular queue works. So using the enqueue function, we can add elements while handling circular behavior. Using the dequeue operation, we can remove elements and update pointers. And the display function prints queue element in order. We can test our code by adding the element to the circular queue by using the enqueue operation. And by using the dequeue operation, we can remove elements and check the behavior. And by using the display function, we can display the list. Waiting lines are real-world examples of queues. Think of a bank queue, customer support system, or fast food counter. Everyone gets served in FIFA order. Let's simulate a basic waiting line using Python. This is the code implementation of waiting line in Python. I have already explained it in previous videos, so check that before continuing to the next part. In this code, we use Python's queue to manage a waiting line. People are added to the queue one by one. Then we process each person one by one, simulating a real-world scenario. Let's see the expected output. This is the expected output, and that's how a waiting line works using queues. Today we have covered how a circular queue works and its implementation in Python, how to simulate a real-world waiting line using queues, practical application of queues in CPU scheduling, customer service, and memory management. Now let's wrap things up. Queues are a powerful tool for managing data in an efficient way and organized way. Now it's your turn. Try modifying these programs and experiment with different queue sizes and scenarios. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. In the next video, we will start introduction to linked list. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CodeMaster for more Python tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding!